Good morning, Cindy.
Morning, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Cindy Gamundoy. I'm 27 years old from Philippines. I'm a Filipina from
Okay, I
Tarlac.
okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you
Yes,
want to work as a maid?
I work for as maid because for my family needs and for my children future.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I choose Malaysia because it's so beautiful country.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I'm qualified for this job because I'm hardworking and physically mentally fit and I'm honest person.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
I'm I'm work for sales lady and I'm work for babysitter.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
And whose baby you taking care of?
I'm take care of my two daughter.
Okay. And how about elderly people?
I I take care my grandma and my lolo.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
My special skill is cleaning the house, cooking, and massage.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relative stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
I cook Filipino food like adobo and sinigang.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like
Yes.
most?
Um, Kitchen, ma'am.
Cooking.
Cooking, ma'am.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
Ma-
I repeat.
Mother, husband.
Okay, mother, husband. Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works and when going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever you are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer finds out that you're abusing of using your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed for the terms and condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agree to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
Two.
2 years, okay? Can you describe for me your ethics?
I'm hardworking and I'm honest a person.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I will finish my contract.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to eat the type of food taken by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of being left alone in the house?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to work according to instruction from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any immediate family working in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Cindy, we have finished
Yes,
our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a
yes.
case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work or finish your contract or you will go back?
I will finish my contract, ma'am.
Okay, number two. Tell us about yourself and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
Sir, ma'am, choose me because I need this job for my family, for their future, for my daughter, and for many relatives. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Cindy. We will
Thank you,
update to
ma'am.
your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Thank you, ma'am.